Good morning. I just woke up. Shadden.lanham, Instagram in the description, suggested that I do a daily routine video. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, Google. What time is it?
10:25.
It's 10:25. I woke up at 9:30 when my alarm went off, but I fell back asleep. So let's get this video started. So after my morning pee, I like to take a shower. Oh wait, that was dumb. Okay, so now we're gonna brush my teeth, my pearly whites. Ew. Now it's time to pick out an outfit based on the weather. Okay, Google, what's the forecast in Goshen, Kentucky?
In Goshen today, there will be thunderstorms with a forecasted high of 77 and a low of 63. And tomorrow, it'll be sunny.
There's thunderstorms all day. Yeah, so just pick out an outfit. Ooh. Okay, cool kids. I don't like the jacket. So I have my pink shirt and some Adidas sweatpants on. That's really it. Now I have to go. I've been being paid to dog sit, and I don't think I should film anything of theirs, like their dogs and their house. So I'll come back for breakfast. See you in a hot minute. Did you miss me? I sure didn't. Now, taking out the dogs was fun and stuff, but I'm back now. I was thinking about having toast and eggs for breakfast, but as you can see, it's like 11:12, and I don't want to go too crazy. So I think I'm just gonna do a bowl of cereal. Okay, you know what? Let's just put it in here. I can't get it in. Okay. So, hey cuties. Okay, so I don't really need coffee this morning because I'm awake. I'm not really sluggish. I'm gonna put this in the fridge so it's cold all the time. To the kitchen table, I guess. Now, my dearest friend Charlotte told me that I should make an ASMR video. I'll put her Instagram in the description too. By the way, if you're wondering why I'm doing that, is because I usually do like all my polls and YouTube stuff on Instagram. So my Instagram's in the description too, I guess. So you can do polls and stuff when I do them. Yeah, so I asked everyone what they want to see me doing, and this was Shadden's suggestion. I'm about to do Charlotte's. So let's unclip you and. Now that's over. Cut to the next thing. It's 12:40. My food has digested. And the problem is like, if I'm not making a YouTube video or editing something, my day's kind of boring. So I guess I'll have to make it exciting for you guys. Oh my god, it's 12:42. You know what that means. Let's do a pillow fort. Pillow fort. Pillow, pillow, hello. Ugh. So welcome. This is the inside of our pillow fort. Yeah. It's a rainy day, so I wanted to do some rainy day stuff.
Hello?
Hey, is your refrigerator running?
Probably.
Hey, you better go get it. But I feel like I should star 69 the end of this. Because I'm kind of scared. How do you star 69?
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system. 50.
Why does nobody want to talk to me?
Hello?
Hi, this is Nico from 31 Flavors. You can name 31 flavors in 31 seconds. You can win $31. Go.
Chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, banana, lime, orange. How am I supposed to do that? Can I restart?
I'm sorry, ma'am, but you were out of time. Thank you for playing our game. We're getting a callback, everyone. Hello, this is 31 Flavors.
Try to retry?
No retries. I should start a business called 31 Flavors. We could call my ex-girlfriend. Yeah, no, if this video gets 100 likes, I will prank call my ex-girlfriend. Hello, this is the refrigerator guy.
We need 31 flavors.
Sorry. They need 31 flavors. They called the wrong number for 31 flavors. 898. Oh, I probably should not have said their number out loud, but I did. Oh, okay, well, it's not even a real number, so does it really matter? No, it doesn't!
The number you have dialed.
Okay. Okay, well, have a 31 flavors day. Okay, well, they might have texted me their own number, and I might have just... Okay, you know what? It's fine. Okay. Well, I think we've had enough pillow fort time. Pillow fort. This is a blanket fort. I think we've had enough time in here. It's still raining, and I'm hungry. It's also 2:30. It's a rainy day. Hold on. It's a rainy day, so I really can't do much. If this video goes on any longer, then that means that something interesting happened, but I doubt it. I mean, if you want to know the rest of my rainy day routine, my dad's probably gonna come home. I'm gonna eat dinner and play Minecraft with my brothers. That's literally my day. It's really uninteresting. I hope you enjoyed this video. And my camera deciding not to autofocus. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.